Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Helicopters are capable of flying with no more than a few feet of clearance below the helicopter's skids or wheels. Fast jets are more constrained and at a typical low flying speed of 450 knots, 800 kilometers per hour, 200 feet, 60 meters is not unusual, and 50 feet, 15 meters is possible in relatively flat terrain.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Helicopters generally have no issues flying in rain. Rain does not affect the thrust created by the blades needed for takeoff. However, rain can impact the visibility for the pilot substantially. It is up to the pilot to determine whether or not it is safe to fly.
Take our lead.
While airplanes need to maintain an altitude of 500 feet over land and 1,000 feet over congested areas, helicopters can fly much lower. The FAA allows helicopters to fly at any altitude if the operation of the helicopter is conducted without any hazard to people or property on the ground.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The helicopters are used to conduct suspect searches, as well. They assist and guide police units on the ground to apprehend suspects. They also assist local precincts in addressing ongoing community concerns and crime patterns by surveying the landscape.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.